What is the relation between market volatility and equity mutual funds? In the fast-paced world of finance, market volatility can either make or break an investment. If you're looking to grow your wealth, understanding how market fluctuations impact equity mutual funds is key. In this video, we'll break down how market volatility affects equity mutual funds, share strategies to handle it, and offer some helpful thoughts to keep your investments on track. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the relationship between market volatility and equity mutual funds. Equity mutual funds invest in stocks from a variety of companies, and the performance of these stocks directly affects the value of the fund. When the market is volatile, stock prices can swing up and down, causing fluctuations in the mutual fund's value. Equity mutual funds are more vulnerable to market volatility because they have significant exposure to stocks. This means while there's potential for better returns, the risk is also greater. When the market swings, the value of the stocks in your mutual fund can change quickly, affecting the fund's net asset value or NAV. However, if you stay focused on the long term, these ups and downs may not be significant in the bigger picture. History shows that markets tend to recover after downturns, and those who remain patient often see the rewards. Now let's talk about how you can navigate market volatility with smart strategies. Here are 3 approaches to consider. First, diversification. One way to mitigate impact of market volatility is diversification. If your mutual fund invests in a wide range of industries and sectors, it's less likely that poor performance in one stock or sector will hurt the entire fund. This spread helps reduce the impact of market dips. Second, systematic investment plans, SIPs. A disciplined approach to investing is using a systematic investment plan or SIP. This allows you to invest a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. When the market is low, you buy more units. When the market is high, you buy fewer. This strategy helps smooth out the impact of market fluctuations over time. Third, long-term focus. Finally, sticking to a long-term investment strategy is crucial. The stock market can be unpredictable in the short run, but equity mutual funds are designed for sustained growth over years, not days. So, resist the temptation to make hasty decisions based on short-term dips. Stay focused on your long-term wealth goals. To sum it up, market volatility is a part of the journey when investing in mutual funds. While the market will always have its ups and downs, understanding how these fluctuations affect equity mutual funds can help you make smarter and more confident investment choices. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.